This is Blossom Minds. In today's story, I will share with you about hope and perseverance. Through a unique and unexpected task, the story delves into how one should never abandon hope, no matter how difficult the situation appears. Kindly like the video and ensure you stay till the end and learn how this simple wisdom can change how we see our struggles. Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush forest, lived a mighty lion named Sheru. He was known far and wide for his strength and was feared by all the animals. But a clever and nimble hare named Manju lived in the same forest. Let's discover how their paths crossed remarkably, teaching us an invaluable lesson. Never lose hope in your life. One fine morning, Sheru the lion summoned all the animals of the forest to his den. They gathered with trembling hearts, unsure of what awaited them. Lion roared, "Listen, dear animals. I have grown tired of my usual meals. I now demand a challenge. Whoever can run through the forest and return to me quickly shall be saved from my hunger." Manju, the hare, was determined to face the mighty lion despite being the smallest animal in the forest. Manju whispered, "I might be small, but my wits are sharp. I won't lose hope." The animals lined up at the starting point, ready to face the daunting challenge. Among them, Manju the hare hopped along, using his swift movements to his advantage. Sheru, impatient, said growling, "The first one to reach me shall have the honor of surviving." However, Manju, realizing that he could never outrun the other animals in a fair race, decided to employ a clever strategy. As the other animals ran deeper into the forest, he turned back toward the starting point. When Sheru saw the hare running in the opposite direction, he was puzzled. Sheru roared with curiosity, "Hare, where are you going? The race is that way." Manju calmly said, "Oh, the mighty lion, I may not be as fast as the others, but I know a shortcut that will lead me to victory." Manju raced back to the starting point and awaited the arrival of the other animals. The animals reached the finish line one by one, panting and exhausted. When Sheru witnessed Manju's return, he was astonished. Sheru was astonished and asked, "How did you return so quickly, dear hare?" Manju smiled and revealed his secret. "Oh, the great lion, my speed may not match that of my fellow animals, but I realized that winning isn't always about being the fastest. Instead, I used my intelligence and took a different path. It was the path of hope and determination, believing that I could find a way to overcome any challenge." Sheru, the mighty lion, understood the hare's wisdom and felt a newfound respect for him. "You, hare, you have taught me a valuable lesson, dear hare. Your determination and belief in yourself allowed you to conquer the race in a way no one else could. From this day forth, I shall remember never to underestimate the power of hope and the strength of the mind." And so, the animals in the forest witnessed the unexpected victory of the hare, proving that size and speed are not the sole measures of success. Manju, the clever hare, emerged as a symbol of hope, reminding us all that even when faced with seemingly insurmountable challenges, we should never lose hope. No matter how big or small, fast or slow, we should never underestimate the power of hope and determination. Believe in yourself, explore different paths, and never lose hope in your ability to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. Remember, hope can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary and lead us to victory in the most unexpected ways.